we are going to make a Babybel cheese smoked dip. So got my cast iron here ready to go. 8 small Babybel cheeses. Get this one unwrapped. Get that wrapper off, as well as start to pull that wax off of there as well. I love how these just open up, almost like a little Pac-Man here. And we'll pull that cheese out. Once we have it out, we'll go ahead and place it in that cast iron. I've already oiled the bottom as well. And voila, look, all the rest of them magically appeared. So I've got some diced tomatoes here. I just used some Roma tomatoes. Put some of those in. It ended up being probably about a half a cup or so of those tomatoes. And after we get those tomatoes in, I also grabbed myself a small jalapeno, cored it out and diced it up. So we'll add some jalapeno in there as well. A little bit of spice. And we're going to put that on the Weber Smoky Mountain at about 300 degrees. And we're going to let this sit on the smoker. It's going to be about 20 to 30 minutes. And then we stirred it all together, and there we go. Time to top it off with some chili oil here. That chili oil is like a chili garlic oil. Just a little bit on the top. That'll go really well when we mix it all together in the end. And then we're going to grab ourselves a little bit of fresh cut cilantro. So I chopped up some fresh cilantro. That's going to give it a great taste as well. We could throw some more tomatoes on there, but we're not. I've got some crispy jalapenos instead. Take a handful of those. I'm going to kind of crunch them with my hands and spread those across the top as well. Once this is done, this is going to go great with tortilla chips. Now, this is a dip that I saw recently posted on Babybel's actually social media page themselves. Thought I would try to do a little copycat but make a smoked version. Absolutely delicious. Check it out.